Yeah, probably there was a nice.
आ लेते हैं. अरे आस्कर कितनी बड़ी?
Naishu कितनी बड़ी? Naishu कितनी बड़ी? इतनी बड़ी. Right?
New tricks of Naisha.
Yeah.
What's up guys, कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. Today is gonna be a very special day at my place. It's mere coincidence I finished 3 lakh subscribers. I invited all my friends for lunch. Never done this before. And the reason I've invited everyone is because my dad said he wanted to make biryani for everyone. And especially foodies like Chaitanya, Srujan and all of them. They were asking for biryani from a long time, and unfortunately we cannot eat outside. Especially biryani places, all these places are not so hygienic. So I said घर पे बनाएंगे biryani. My dad makes amazing biryani, 10 out of 10. So yeah, we're making biryani at home. Let's go down. Friends are yet to come. I think dad already started from 2-3 days. He's preparing all the ingredients. Yeah, we set up all the seats and all that. There we're making the biryani. Special setup for all of this. The stove is not going to be enough. We need to use a separate stove like this. That is a chicken basmati rice. This is onion fried oil. This looks nice. Original desi ghee. I mean, there are a lot of ingredients. I cannot tell you. There'll be how many ingredients at least?
More than 20.
More than 20 ingredients.
Fried onions.
This is the speciality. On top of the biryani, you put this.
Sajira, ghee and oil.
Complicated.
And you will see this mortar. This is spices, special spices.
Yeah, you need to put it in a bag and throw it inside the water. So that all the flavor soaks in. Chalo puja, my mom, everyone is getting ready. Nothing like ready. Ghar pe hai. So time is around 12:30. Let's see today who is gonna come first. Everyone is gonna come late. That is for sure. Everyone knows that. Rides koi late aate. Abhi biryani बोलते तो lunch बोले तो leisure में they'll come whenever they want. Let's see who is gonna come first. Whoever comes first, I'm gonna give them a special gift. This thing, we put this for Naisha. She's pulling all the chairs. Now I'm removing all this so that people can sit on the dining table. I'm not sure if everyone is gonna sit on the dining table, but in case someone wants. First, Chaitanya is here.
First gate open jera.
Chaitanya, you're gonna get a gift. Chaitanya, you're gonna get a gift. I just said whoever is gonna come first, they're gonna get a gift. Who drove the car? Oh, Pranav is gonna get a gift then. Whoever drove the car, they're gonna get a gift.
First వచ్చినారా నేను? By the way, congrats buddy.
Congrats. Yeah.
300K.
This is coincidental. I did not plan this for 300K.
బాగా కొంచెం చిన్న అయిపోతున్నారు రోజుకి.
నేనా? Thank you.
హైట్ కూడా అయిపోతున్నారా? See, it's like now.
వద్దురా నువ్వు షూస్ వేసుకున్నావురా.
అబ్బా
షూస్
ఉన్నాయిరా, ఏమున్నాయిరా షూస్ ఇంత.
Pranav, you're gonna get the gift. I said whoever is gonna come first, they're gonna get a gift.
Oh, I
Okay.
get so many gifts in life.
You never came to my house. This is the first time you're coming. Isn't it hot?
Oh, passion.
Careful, it's hot.
Oh, very nice.
Do food vlogging also.
Food vlogging.
I'm creating content.
Hi.
Hi.
Pranav.
Hi.
No, you're not
Chaitanya.
important. I know you.
Chaitanya wants to see my studio space. Can I call it studio space?
Yeah.
That's it. My cute small studio where I shoot.
Videoలో పెద్ద
This is
అనిపిస్తుందా?
Meghna.
Yeah.
Hi.
She watches my videos a lot.
Yes. Big fan.
Because Pranav makes
A big
her
fan.
watch.
Because Pranav, at least that.
This is Cobra, Pranav, you know. People were asking why are you called Cobra?
That only Chaitanya can answer, no?
Bus.
Basically, he is co-brother of Chaitanya. So we made it Cobra.
Yeah. Mansa and Meghna are sisters. First time right, black పట్టుకుంటున్నాను నేను.
It'll live fine.
Dummu.
మళ్ళీ హలో
Smile.
Hello. వీడికి ఎదిగించారు.
ఏ గడ్డం తగ్గించింది.
అదే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ టెలింగ్.
అరే మరీ సన్నగా పోతున్నావు చూడలేకపోతున్నావు.
సన్నగా కదా పొట్టి కూడా అయింది అనిపిస్తుంది నాకైతే.
Oh.
No, they're not jealous.
Oh, nice. You became friends now.
Yeah. We're always friends.
What's up, bro?
Bye, Aggie.
Hi Aggie, first time coming to our house.
Yeah, bro.
What's up, bro?
వాట్సాప్ బ్రో లాంగ్ టైం నోసి ఎందుకు నువ్వేంది ఇట్లా
నేను ఎట్లున్నా
నువ్వే కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నావు
కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నా కదా
నువ్వే కరెక్ట్ ఉన్నావు జాబ్లో వీడియో ఎట్లా వచ్చాడు
ఎయిర్పోర్ట్కి వెళ్తున్నాడు వచ్చాడు. He's a pilot, dude.
Bros.
What's up, bro?
फर्स्ट टाइम तो नई चीजें दिख रही है ना ही लाइक कहाँ आ गया मैं
चलो raining
1 year అవుతుంది
I want to see what
స్ట్రీట్ ఎక్స్టెండర్ సంథింగ్
బైక్ అంటే చాలు మామూలు చూడు ఎంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తారు.
ఇది డుకాటియా
ఇది డుకాటిలా లేదు,
అదే
డకాటిలా ఉంది.
Desmo service 30,000 kilometers.
ఓ షిట్ స్టిక్కర్ వాడండి రే
చూస్తే అట్టవుతారు.
డెస్మో సర్వీస్ 30,000 kilometers. డెస్మో సర్వీస్ కాస్ట్ ఓన్లీ 1 lakh rupees.
అది బార్గెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత
ఓ బార్గెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత అండి తర్వాత లేకపోతే 120.
हाँ हाँ सुना जरा पूरा
doesn't even have the decency to reply to messages. I'm not talking to you.
He doesn't reply only.
Yeah, he never
That's
replies.
nothing
No
new.
waste fellow.
He has a lot
I'm
of
gonna
diseases
unfriend
रे
you.
पूछा है.
अवॉइड कर
Thank you for getting my pioneers back. Someone who gave this?
आकाश
Akash Reddy, thank you so much for this.
अरे आस्कर कितनी बड़ी?
Naishu kitty belly, itty belly. Right?
New tricks of Naisha.
Yeah. Kitty belly, Naishu. Itty belly है.
नाइशो कितनी बड़ी है?
Kitty belly, Naishu.
कितनी बड़ी?
Itty belly.
All
Well,
set now?
she's better. पहले से
Yeah.
better.
After a long time, she's seeing so many people. See, this is the problem with COVID. We can't go out.
क्या
She's
करेगा?
getting scared. She's getting nervous when she's seeing a lot of people.
No, now she'll be better.
From now, we should take her out.
We'll take her for short drives because both of us.
Now
need
she's fine, but still.
it. I was waiting
I didn't
for
capture
you.
this.
You do capture.
Naisha meets Agastya. Naisha,
Babies day out. Babies day out for
First time we're seeing a baby.
Come. Naisha, look. Fish pump.
Finally, someone of her level.
దానికి బ్యాక్ వన్ వెయిట్
You have to find the best chair in the room and then.
I didn't even know this.
When I put this yesterday, I was ready that these people will start fighting for this chair. And I was pretty sure Chaitanya is gonna take the chair.
Genuinely didn't know it reclines.
మనకి
Actually, Charan say I saw and bought
రండి
it.
శిష్యులారా, క్లాసెస్ ఇన్ సెషన్ రండి, చెప్పండి మీ బాధలు ఏంటి చెప్పండి.
నువ్వే రామా బాధ నువ్వే.
మీ బాధలు మీరు.
Where is the vaccine?
ప్రొడక్షన్ స్టార్ట్
Where is the vaccine?
నేను రేపు రష్యాకి ఫ్లైట్ ఉంది
August 15th.
రేపు
Vaccine आ
మాస్కోకి
जाएगा.
రేపు
16th.
మాస్కోకి ఫ్లైట్ ఉంది
Actually, he was saying that August 15th को will पक्का get the vaccine. इसके पहले you said April 5th.
1 month ఆగు
మధ్య కెమెరా కింది పట్టుకుంటాను.
నేను బుల్బరీలా ఇట్లా వ్యాక్సిన్
అరే
పట్టు
ఇంకోటి one more thing.
హలో అంకుల్ అంకుల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ షెఫ్ పిలిచారు
Cleaning కి పిలిచాం రా, cleaning కి పిలిచాం.
లేదు ఫస్ట్ తినాలి
Easy try. Just one day before college.
ఈ చైనీస్ చేయాలని దూరిపోతా
అందుకే ఇయ్యట్లే. The reason-
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ 3 lakh
you people are thinking this party is for the 3 lakh subscribers. No.
1 year birthday.
Then come. कुछ है.
అరే కంగ్రాచులేషన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మా ప్లీజ్
అబ్బాయి
ప్లీజ్
పేరేంటి?
అబ్బాయి
అరే తప్పలేదురా.
He's already committed.
ఎడ్విన్
చాలా ఎక్కువ.
క్లారిటీ ఇచ్చుకుంటావా లేదా చంపేస్తాను నేను.
ఏం కాలేదు
Actually nothing like that. He's not getting hitched or no engagement, nothing. No COVID.
నాట్ బైయింగ్ ఎ న్యూ బైక్
You give that.
What's up, bro?
What's happening?
What's up guys कैसे ఎలా ఉన్నారు
What's up?
As usual, last comers. Edwin.
Happy birthday, Naishu. And congrats on your 300k.
This is
3
not
lakh girl. First Naishu.
first
తర్వాత
Naishu.
300k.
But anyway, this is not for 3 lakh subscribers because I did not plan anything like that.
You have to shoot this, it's fun.
I shot. Aditya is not feeling well, but still he came. Good.
అరే నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ వెల్ అంటే ఏదో అనుకుంటారు మిత్ర.
అవునరా, మీరు మరీ ఎక్కువ చేస్తారు. Look at this stupid fellow. He's eating pizza. We got pizza for Charan because he eats only vegetarian.
దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రీ అప్టైజర్ తింటే ఆకలేస్తాం
Pizza free appetizer. Full dinner.
No, the new name for Srujan. I'm a Kruti.
I'm a cutie.
ఫాస్ట్ ఫుడ్ తిన్నా తినేస్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడ.
కానీ మనం డిసైడ్ చేస్తారా నీకు ఎవరో
రేటింగ్
Hey guys,
అరే 9.5 out of 10.
చేతని is giving 9.5.
If you keep the same thing for like you store it for a bit, it will get even
Oh yes,
better. Yeah.
next day is gonna taste much better.
Yeah, it's very good.
Suju
9/10. Put one on my plate.
9/10. Rating
I'm not like Chaira. Adike 10 is
10 out of 10. Rating
10 on 10.
10 on 10. Mano
20 on 10.
Arre. Okay, that's nice. Shraddha, you didn't eat yet. You'll eat, right? Amara Italian, he'll eat only pizzas. No, he's gonna eat biryani today. You're eating, right? Nice one. See.
Nice shoe, such a cutie. Nice shoe, cute है ना?
See?
Finally, he's also having food.
Cute Yombi. Yombi is so cute.
Sorry, Zishan. Sorry.
Hey, there's nothing to be sorry about.
This much, only this much, because Dad made.
Yes, exactly.
And so many people are there around. So once, excuse.
Me and Rochi, the veggie boys.
2,000 years later.
Okay, everyone had biryani and look at this.
Pizza.
Fellow is so not getting up. It's got a
Please.
wait.
chicken
Adi, are you okay?
Yeah.
Will you be able to get up?
No.
I don't know why are we cutting the cake, but okay, why are we cutting the cake?
Naishu's birthday anta.
Okay, Naishu's birthday. 300 cakes.
నేను బర్త్డే రికార్డ్ చేస్తా
Good పడుతుందా బయటకి?
కొంచెం ఎక్కువ కాదు very little.
Okay, this is Champagne.
I don't know you.
Champagne.
Okay, this is not for Naisha. This is just to friendship since all of us are here.
Everything as well.
For biryani.
Okay, that is for the 300k and for Naisha's birthday. Better kar raha hai. Better.
Okay, everyone.
Rewind
For subscribers, thank you. Sir.
Giving me the whole thing. Will you eat? Is it okay?
Final release no.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మనం అంత ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ కాదు మనం తినడంలో ఎక్స్పర్ట్ కట్ వచ్చేసింది ఇక్కడ
एक बार उठाया and he's saying he's got a cut.
అంటే మసల్ రాలే
weak
మసల్ కట్ అయిందిరా మసల్ కట్ అయిందిరా
Yes.
Everything is here. I'm not doing anything.
GMS
Stomach is not fine. If you touch, it's gonna shout. It will leak.
Pico, this is Pico. Pico.
అయ్యా నన్ను కాపాడండి అయ్యా.